I often hear a lot of realtors shy away from open houses and they say that open houses don't sell properties. But for me, it gives me an opportunity to showcase the seller's property to the maximum and the fullest. And honestly, there are a lot of people that walk into your open houses, ask questions and feel comfortable at the property. And for me, it gives me an opportunity to explain them or talk to them about the details of a specific things in the house that adds value, which otherwise they would not notice or see when they're walking into the property. Also, recently we had encountered two buyers that walked in through our open house and purchased property. So I personally feel open houses are great, and every seller selling homes should strongly be suggesting their agents to do open houses. Thank you.